everyone, welcome to my studio.
All right, last week I started working on this exterior sculpture and I fixed this one piece, but it's still bothering me. So when I was editing the video, I actually said I'd have to come back in and fix it. It was too late for me to do it then. Unfortunately, it's way easier to fix if you just take the pieces out and scrape the thinset out while you're working. It has now been, I don't know, 3 days or so, and this thinset is hard as a rock. So I'm going to try to chisel it out. So I want to remove these two pieces. I may have some casualties around the edges where other pieces fall out, but we'll see. So I'm just going to see if I can get these out. My goodness. Use a little more force here. There we go. Got underneath them. And there they go. There's that one. I'm going to go a little bit further under this one. I may have even broken. Darn it. It's going to be hard to fix that area if it's not smooth. There we go. All right. I have my thinset in a baggie ready to go, and I have cut these two pieces to put right here. But I decided to start on the other side. So I'm going to set these aside. I'm not going to glue those down just yet because I don't want to knock them out accidentally. And I'm going to start on this side. And I have another little gold piece, blue gold, that I'm going to start with right in the middle there. Purchased 5 of these very plain frames at an estate sale, and they were very inexpensive. And then I got some mirror to put on the inside. Each one measures about 16 by 19, and I really like them because they have this lip on the outer side. So I'm going to just not cut very much, but put a bunch of tiles and beads and things and make it a very pretty mirror. And some of the beads I have are clear, so I'm going to prime a little bit of the frame, not the whole thing, just the part where the beads are going to go, which is on this outer edge. Back to my sculpture, I have a little bit of Smalti cutting to do first. was sort of hoping to connect the two parts, but you can really only work on one side at a time when the thinset is wet, so I'm pretty pleased with how far I got on this. I'm using black sanded grout so that the tiles will really pop, and I have some pretty big spaces here, so it's going to look a lot different when I'm done. Here I go.
Putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.